Good afternoon on a wet Sunday. It's 1:45 in the afternoon. You're looking at the infrared satellite picture. Of course, here is Portland. Here's the moisture that's shooting up through the area. This is being driven by a warm front that will pass us a little bit later this afternoon. What we're really concerned with is this cloudiness back in here over the ocean. There's a low that's going to track across northern Washington, and it will do so tonight. This low is pretty vigorous, and it looks like the pass will be close enough that we will have at least a chance to get some pretty good winds from this. I want to talk about that first. I think once we get after dark into this evening and overnight tonight, that low gets closer, passes to the north, we could see a period of southwesterly winds gusting up to about 40, maybe even 45 miles per hour in the valley. Now, the best chance of this will be north of Portland. And speaking of, by the time you get up into the Longview, Kelso area, there could even be some 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts. These wind events are really tough to perfectly call. So I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't happen. Wouldn't be surprised if it does. But we will at least get breezy tonight. And again, the best chance to have some 40, 50 mile per hour winds looks to me to be north of Portland. But all of us should be on guard for that. Meanwhile, it continues to rain overnight tonight. And then occasional shots of rain continue Monday. So we could still have another inch of rain coming before we start to calm down. And the calming will begin Monday overnight and into the day on Tuesday. I want to talk about snow. The air coming in behind a cold front overnight tonight will turn sharply colder. The snow level down to about 1,000 feet by noon on Monday. I think the best chance for accumulating snow during the day will be the high hills of southwest Washington, especially up in Cowlitz County. And also any of the Cascade foothill communities like Sandy. There's about half of an inch of moisture coming in tomorrow, so there could be several inches of accumulation, especially in places like Sandy. Absolutely, there could be 4 inches or so in the Zigzag Welches area, so we're watching that tomorrow. By Tuesday, that snow level is down to 500 feet, but this is just scattered stuff. It would be tough to get more than a dusting. I continue to watch early Wednesday morning as another push of warm air comes. It's possible the east winds will pull out of the gorge, pin Portland's temperature around freezing, and we could have morning snow accumulation in the city before we warm up to 40 and change to rain. 50-50 shot of that happening, so I'm watching that. Whew. A lot going on. I'll talk to you soon.